14 of the most interesting facts ever. 1. Did you know that a game of chess holds so many possibilities that they outnumber the atoms in the universe? Each move opens up countless scenarios, making the game extraordinarily complex and fascinating. 2. Time can be tricky to understand. Here's a fun fact. Cleopatra, the last active ruler of the Ptolemaic Kingdom of Egypt, lived closer in time to the moon landing than to the construction of the Great Pyramid of Giza. It makes you think about how relative time can be. 3. The journey of a photon, or a particle of light, is also amazing. It can take about 40,000 years for a photon to travel from the sun's core to its surface. However, once it leaves the sun, it only takes a mere 8 minutes to reach the Earth. 4. Here's something about mosquitoes. To drain all the blood from an average human being, it would take 1,200,000 mosquito bites. Each mosquito would only have to suck once. Not a pleasant thought, but quite interesting. 5. Have you ever thought about glass? Anything that melts and then cools down quickly can become glass. The key is to prevent the molten material's molecules from realigning as they were before. 6. If you've ever wondered what the static on and used TV stations is, it's not just random noise. Some of it is leftover radiation from the Big Bang, the birth of our universe. So, you're looking at a faint echo from the dawn of time. 7. Different civilizations across the globe invented written language independently. The Egyptians, Sumerians, Chinese, and Mayans all developed their own systems of writing without influence from each other. 8. Atoms are mostly empty space. If you could take all the empty space out of all the atoms in all the people in the world, you could fit the entire human population into the size of an apple. Just shows how much space atoms really have. 9. Honey is an incredibly stable food and doesn't spoil. In fact, you could eat honey that's 3,000 years old, and it would still be good. Archaeologists have found ancient honey in Egyptian tombs that is still edible. 10. Earth's core is full of gold. If someone could extract all of that gold, they could cover all the land on Earth up to your knees. 11. The mating ritual of giraffes is somewhat unusual. A male giraffe continuously headbutts a female in the bladder until she urinates. Then, the male tastes the urine to find out if the female is ready to mate. 12. Not all national anthems have lyrics. For example, the national anthem of Spain doesn't have any words. It's entirely instrumental. 13. Each U.S. state has its own state sport. In Maryland, it's jousting. This medieval sport involves two riders on horses who use a long lance to try and unseat their opponent. 14. Human bodies can have reactions even after death. For instance, dead people can get goosebumps. This is due to the muscles that cause goosebumps contracting, which can still occur after death.